It is so gloomy. There is thunder and lightning, and I shouldn't be recording, but I can't help it because I looked to the cars next to me and this girl's mouth was wide open, staring back and forth from side to side. So anyways, it's very gloomy. Whoa, yep, that's what I meant. That's some crazy lightning. Maybe I should turn on my windshield wipers. Is it hail? Oh my God, it is hail. There is hail on the freeway. Yeah. There is hail on this freeway. Oh my God, look at the ground. Holy macaroon. I should probably slow down a little more. Oh my God, you guys see that? I hope I don't get hit by lightning because this is scary, scary stuff. I need to turn on the heat in my car. Everyone is slowing down. I'm barely going 40. Oh man, this car is getting wormy around here. Holy macaroon! You guys, the ground is full of hail. Everyone's like literally stopping. Woo! Look at all this. Oh my God. It's like snow on the ground. Holy schnitzels. And literally everyone stopped, you guys. The freeway, we have all stopped on the freeway. Oh my. I've never seen this much hail. I've never driven around in the hail. Oh my God, look. That's so exciting. I mean, seriously. Check out all this hail. Oh my God. That is so cool. And my arms are wet, but it's okay. This is legit the craziest thing I've ever seen in California. And I think I just got some snow on my phone. I sure did. Okay. So I think it's starting to clear up. People are starting to drive. I should pick up my window, turn up my heat, and start driving normally. Everyone literally stopped, you guys. That's amazing. Absolutely amazing. And check out all that ice on my car. Wow. If this is what it feels like to drive with hail, I wonder what it feels like to drive with snow in like a snowstorm or something. I mean, it's amazing yet terrifying yet, I mean, everything all in one. It's beautiful. Beautiful. It's Subhanallah. Okay, I should start recording. But I'm afraid I'm gonna miss some nice thunder, some lightning. I'm like, you guys, check out all this check out all this hail on the side of the road. I'm like driving through ice roads right here. Oh, wow. Never seen anything like this in California, ever. Okay, now it's all melting, becoming water on the ground. Okay, that's it, you guys. I'm done. My arm's getting stiff.